So let us start our new topic, that is how do acids and bases react with each other. Till now we have learned that how do acids react with metals, how do bases react with metals. In one case we have observed that when the acids and bases react with metal, they exhibit hydrogen gas, and when they react with sodium hydrogen carbonate and sodium carbonate metals, they exhibit carbon dioxide gas. Now let us learn about how do acids and bases react with each other. Okay. When you add acid to the bases, or when you add bases to the acid, what happens? If you remember, during starting of this chapter, I have uh, said you that acids are positively charged by their nature. Naturally, they are acids are positively charged and bases are negatively charged. Okay, and I have said this also, that if these two chemicals are mixed with each other, okay, so negatively charged electrons, they occupy the positively charged holes or vacancies. As a result, what happens? The charge will be zero, that is neutral, right? If the acids and bases are mixed with each other, the charges will be zero. That means the charge will be neutral, right? For example, if in particular acid the charge is +5, and in particular base the charge is -5, if you add this both, 5 minus 5, the answer will be 0. That 0 is known as neutral form of state, right? Because we are getting neutral charge by adding acids and bases. This addition of acids and bases is called as neutralization, right? And the reaction which occurs during adding up of acids and bases is called neutralization reaction. Understood? And this reaction can be written as base plus acid, or acid plus base, that give rises to salt plus water. Whenever you add acid to the base or base to the acid, you will get salt plus water as a product. To understand this, let us take one activity from our syllabus. This activity will be done by teacher. You have to just observe concentratively. The activity is, your teacher will take an AOH solution. What is an AOH? In 2 ml of dilute sodium hydroxide, not concentrated, it should be dilute. In a test tube, your teacher will take 2 ml of sodium hydroxide solution, right? And this sodium hydroxide solution is a base, right? And add 2 drops of phenolphthalein solution. This phenolphthalein solution is used to detect whether this is base or not, right? When you get the when you observe that there is no change in color, no change in reaction, by adding the phenolphthalein to the base, by adding phenolphthalein to the sodium hydroxide, then it will be confirmed that sodium hydroxide is a base. Now add dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl. It should be dilute, it should be not concentrated, right? It should be dilute. Add dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl. This is an acid. Okay, don't add in a high quantity at once only, just immerse drop by drop. Okay, just first add 1 drop, now again add second drop, after that add third drop. You add drop by drop, don't add full acid once in full quantity. and after adding drop by drop you will observe the change, right? You will observe the change in color for the reaction mixture, and your duty is to record that change in color. Okay, now add a few drop of NaOH solution again to the above mixer. Observe whether the pink color of phenolphthalein will reappear or not. It will be surely reappear, right? So in this above activity we have observed that effect of a base is nullified by an acid and vice versa. That means negative charges of the bases is disappeared by adding the acid of positively charged, and the reaction takes place is written as hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide, and these both are aqueous in solution. Aqueous means dilute, and dilute solution I have defined in our previous videos that the solution in which the water is added to it is called a dilute solution, and these both solutions are dilute, acid and also base. When these two chemicals are added to each other, the neutralization reaction takes place because one is acid and one is base. One is positively charged and second one is negatively charged. When these two are added, the charges will be neutral, so the equation will be called as neutralization reaction. When acid is added to the base, that is HCl is added to the sodium hydroxide, the products what we are getting is sodium chloride, NaCl, plus H2O. What happens? The chlorine from hydrochloric acid gets detached from the acid of hydrochloric acid and gets added to the sodium hydroxide. Okay, and hydroxide elements from sodium hydroxide get removed from sodium hydroxide and they add up to the one atom of hydrogen of hydrochloric acid to form the water. In this way, the neutralization reaction takes place. First, one NaOH is added to HCl. The product will be NaCl plus H2O. The reaction between an acid and a base to give a salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. In general, a neutralization reaction can be written as base plus acid or acid plus base that give rise to salt plus water. Right? Got the point? तो बच्चों यहाँ पे हमारी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है एसिड और बेसिस को एक दूसरे से रिएक्ट करने से क्या होता है। जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा कि एसिड पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है, बेस नेगेटिवली चार्ज है, दोनों को अगर मिलाएंगे तो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव चार्ज कैंसिल होकर जीरो हो जाएगा और न्यूट्रल हो जाएगा। क्योंकि न्यूट्रल होगा इस वजह से इस रिएक्शन को क्या कहेंगे? न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन कहेंगे। ठीक है, इस एक्टिविटी को समझने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सोल्यूशन लेंगे, उसमें HCl सोल्यूशन ऐड करेंगे। सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड यहाँ पे बेस है, HCl यहाँ पे एसिड है, दोनों को मिला देने से क्या होगा? रिएक्शन न्यूट्रलाइज होगा। एसिड में के हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड में का क्लोरीन क्या होगा? सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से जाके मिलेगा। सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड में का हाइड्रोक्साइड क्या होगा? हाइड्रोजन HCl का हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड में से जो हाइड्रोजन है उससे जा मिलेगा। हमें क्या मिलेगा? रिएक्टेंट, एक सॉल्ट, एक नमक और पानी के कुछ मॉलिक्यूल्स। ठीक है, तो बेस और एसिड को ऐड करने से जो रिएक्शन हम फॉर्म होगा उसे क्या कहेंगे? न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन। बेस प्लस एसिड दैट गिव राइज टू सॉल्ट प्लस वाटर। यहाँ पे बेस कौन सा है? सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। एसिड कौन सा है? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड। दोनों को अगर मिला देंगे तो हमें प्रोडक्ट क्या मिल रहा है? सोडियम क्लोराइड प्लस वाटर। राइट, सोडियम क्लोराइड एक्वस है, वाटर लिक्विड है, और दोनों एसिड और बेस जो हम ऐड कर रहे हैं दोनों एक्वस सॉल्यूशन है। एक्वस मींस डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशन। डाइल्यूट का मतलब जिसमें पानी ज्यादा मिकदार में मिला हुआ उसे डाइल्यूट कहते हैं। ठीक है, पानी ज्यादा क्यों मिलाते हैं? उसका कंसंट्रेशन कम करने के लिए, उसके नुकसान कम करने के लिए। तो सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड भी डाइल्यूट है और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड भी डाइल्यूट है, दोनों डाइल्यूट है, दोनों में पानी मिला हुआ है। दोनों एक में से हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड है और सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बेस है, दोनों को मिला देंगे तो हमें क्या मिल रहा है? सोडियम क्लोराइड सॉल्ट प्लस वाटर हमें मिल रहा है। ये है बेसेस और एसिड का एसिड का एक दूसरे से रिएक्शन।